Hey, are you okay?
Yeah. I'm good.
Symptoms include nausea, diarrhea, and a dry cough. If you or someone you know is experiencing such symptoms, it is required of you to quarantine for 14 days. If you are unable to quarantine for 14 days, it is required that you should wear a mask anytime you are in public. How about you just avoid anyone who is coughing uncontrollably? Avoid them like the plague, because it is, in fact, the plague.
Oh, excuse me. What's that noise?
I dropped my headphones.
Hey, is the door stuck again?
No?
What? Then why can't I open it?
You have 14 days to stop coughing!